Hi there. Welcome to Orbital Adventures, where we break down science's biggest mysteries in quick 2-minute stories. The human brain is the most incredible supercomputer on the planet, and it's sitting right between your ears. Weighing just about 3 pounds, this powerhouse controls everything we think, feel, and do. But how does it all work? First, let's talk about the cerebrum, the brain's control center. It handles everything from problem-solving and decision-making to your 5 senses. Meanwhile, the cerebellum keeps you balanced and coordinated, ensuring you don't fall flat on your face. The real magic happens with neurons, your brain's communication specialists. There are around 86 billion of them, and they're constantly sending electrical signals through tiny connections called synapses. These signals move faster than a race car, helping you think, react, and remember. Speaking of memory, the hippocampus is where your life experiences are stored, like your brain's personal scrapbook. And let's not forget the amygdala, your emotion HQ. It's what makes you feel fear, excitement, or love. But here's the coolest part. Your brain is plastic. No, not the stuff toys are made of. Brain plasticity means it can change and grow, adapting to new challenges, learning new things, and forming new connections every day. So whether you're solving puzzles or daydreaming, your brain is always at work, changing, learning, and powering everything you do. At Orbital Adventures, we're also creating fun kids' books that inspire learning geography through storytelling. Scan the QR code now to explore and get your copy.